For people living with severe asthma, every breath can be a struggle. But now there is new hope for people who haven't been helped by standard treatments. Our health reporter Haley Hernandez reveals new medications showing impressive results.
A year ago, Lynn Coca never dreamed she'd be able to exercise like this. Her severe asthma made just about every activity a challenge.
I would take a few feet running, and then it would be like, I couldn't do it so much. So
Lynn tried inhalers and oral meds, but nothing eased her symptoms.
Could never quite understand why, I couldn't get rid of all this congestion.
Then Lynn's doctor suggested she try something new, a class of medicines called biologics.
For patients with severe asthma who've been suffering for years, this is now the time where we are seeing some hope.
Standard treatments for asthma only address the inflammation in the body. Biologics target specific pathways that trigger symptoms. They can zero in on an antibody that's known to cause an allergic response in people with asthma.
If we can figure out which pathway is particularly causing the most problems, we can try and target that.
There are currently 3 biologics on the market, but many more are in development. In clinical trials, these drugs lowered asthma flare-ups, some by about 50%. They also lowered the rate of hospital and ER visits and reduced the need for steroid drugs. Lynn receives an injection of a biologic every 4 weeks. She said she noticed improvement right away.
Yeah, within 3 days. Yeah. It was phenomenal.
Now she can do anything and go anywhere without her asthma holding her back.
You get your life back. Totally, 100%.
Candidates for biologic treatment have severe forms of asthma that have not been helped with standard treatments. Haley Hernandez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.